吃过那个，快点。我怎么都给你花吃了，给你钱呀？哎呀，你那个几次？
Well, if you want an example of just how left behind some of China's poorest communities have become, there's probably none more striking than the village on top of this cliff. The options for government intervention are limited. In this case, it's come down to nothing more simple than this steel ladder.
一起上还是有点贵，一起7块钱、8块钱。球，这做的包裹嘛，还做的养鱼，其他什么东西都没有。
The government says that it wants to wipe out poverty in the next 3 years in China. Do you think it's possible?
不可能吧，这个没有。
我们是在什么房子里面上课的，对不对？You no longer have the open fire, you no longer live close to your animals. Do you miss those things, those traditions?
以前那些葫芦这些猪脚放在米口，装在米口不卫生的那些我们不下了。
It's an issue that's now dominating the domestic news agenda, and it's driven by the vision of just one man. President Xi Jinping knows that the continued existence of serious, widespread poverty represents a threat to the very legitimacy of a communist party that came to power promising to help communities like these, not leave them behind.